Before making any adjustments to the seat matters chairs, lock the 2 brake casters at the back of the chair for safety. To replace the control box, firstly we need to remove the cable for the plug. Then we need to open the control box and remove the cover. Then we need to disengage each individual cable. So if we follow the cable from the handset down and pull the handset out, and then pull the cable for each actuator out. Then we push this button at the top of the control box, which allows us to slide the control box off. We then slide the control box back on. The ports on the control box are labelled. Number 1 is for the back recline. Number 2 is for the tilt. Number 3 is for the leg rest. And the port with the battery symbol is for the cable from the battery. So first we plug the handset back in. Port 1 is the cable from the back recline actuator. Port 2 is the cable from the tilt actuator. Port 3 is the cable from the leg elevation actuator. This port with the battery marked on it is the cable from the battery. We then put the cover back on and plug the power cable back in till none of the red is shown.